Nothing screams summer like a good braai with some sand, some sea and some good company. Joining me today is our very own Barefoot Chef, Niels, and he will be sharing with us a very traditional snoek recipe.
Good day.
Good day.
We've got a snoek. You saw yesterday how we flecked it. It's called flecking and salted it. And that's a big part of the preparation of it. It's got to be cleaned properly and salted because the salt normally drains the water out of it and it makes it firmer because you can easily get a pop snoek.
A pop snoek.
We eat snoek. The custom here is with potatoes and bread and apricot jam. Snoek should not be overdone.
What we're going to do now, we are going to prepare the snoek. I don't know how. This is where Niels comes in. There we go.
So let me just fetch the snoek.
Oh yes, beautiful. When it comes to kitchen tools and you don't have a lot, what would you use for this process? Just your hands?
Your hands
Your personality?
will work. Personality won't smear the snoek, my dear. Now what we can do now, just a brush over, and the fatter the snoek is, the better it tastes. It's like galjoen too. And with anything. If it's fat, it's nice.
It's fat, it's nice. The bigger the better, they say.
You can tell by the skin on the stomach. It's very thin. Now a fat snoek would have a thick stomach lining like that.
Like that.
If a snoek is not flecked and you touch it here in that area, if it's rough, the snoek is fat. We will first put it on and brown it on the flesh side. It mustn't have lots of heat, so you put it on a slow heat and you braai it until it starts bubbling.
Slicing the lemons for decoration because presentation is key.
I've got some celery here. I would like to add that. I'm going to put that into that mixture too. Now we need a bit of chopped parsley. Most of the fat accumulates along the skin, and if you then braai it, the fat goes through the meat. Just don't want to burn it.
Almost there. I think one more turn. Twist and turn. Oh, please let's not forget the tail as well.
Sorry, man.
Now we add some lemon juice. Just with one hand. Gosh, I can't even do that. We're just waiting for the potatoes. Here we are with the final product. Niels, can you take us through this?
It's potatoes, squashed, extra virgin oil, salt and pepper. Gebraaide snoek. Ons eet hom, jy eet wit brood met apricot jam.
Met die apricot jam. If you are going out for a day at the beach and you need something that's not too over the top but still is delicious and satisfying, why not enjoy some snoek with apricot jam? Shall we?
Let's go.
Let's begin.